It mimics rolling heavy logs, sharpening their problem-solving skills. The rubber smell is mentally stimulating, like a puzzle. They invent solo games with it to fight boredom in captivity. Elephants play with tires to boost their brain power. It mimics foraging, relieves zoo boredom, and strengthens social bonds. Smart giants love a good roll. Elephants play with tires for mental stimulation, physical exercise, and because the rubber feels good to scratch against. Elephants play with tires for enrichment, mental stimulation, and because it mimics moving objects in the wild, they even invent new games with them. Elephants love tires because they're the perfect size to roll, toss, and crush for mental stimulation. They also play to strengthen social bonds.